my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial. It is a tutorial slash kind of first impressions on the Chrsiten Dominique Latte palette. The Dominique Cosmetics, I should say. Looks like that. I will be doing more looks with this, but for now, this is the first one I came up with. It's really simple, like every day with like a little pop of color. But yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna start off with any like eyeshadow base. I already have like a little bit of, I guess, foundation or concealer. Starting off with the banana shade as like my base. Ooh. It's like actually pigmented and showing up on my skin. I'm gonna go through this banana shade so fast. It's actually called Vanilla Cream. I'll do a creative look with this palette like tomorrow, but right now I really want to use this brown, the hazelnut. I totally want to use espresso, this color right here, but I'm gonna use mocha in my crease first. Trying to build this guy up and make it a little deeper. I'm not gonna do any cut crease or anything, and I'm also just gonna use my finger, and I'm taking espresso and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I kind of want to do cold brew under my eye, just, you know, to use it. Do a little bit of cold brew and a little bit of caramel mixed together so that blends it out a little better. I totally have a look in mind, by the way, that I'm going to do tomorrow with this palette, so another tutorial is coming. On my eye, but this teal I like. It's more like a dark teal, and it totally suits me better than like bright ass teals. Okay, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with one of these shades. I'm gonna do it with Macchiato. I'm also gonna highlight, oh, I already highlighted, but I'm gonna add some more of that onto my cheeks. Okay, so let me try some Macchiato on my cheekbones. Ooh! Okay, shit. Holy fuck. Wow, that is pigmented. Let me tone that down a little bit. You want to pop and highlight? You'll get it with that, baby. I'm gonna do lips and then we'll be done. Alright, this is the completed look. Woo. Congratulations to Chrsiten Dominique for this palette. I'm so proud of you. It's like, it makes me super excited to make my brand. I love people that I've watched for like years come out with their own brand. It looks super cool to see because, you know, they know what we like, you know? We like the same things. I hope you guys, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Go check out Chrsiten Dominique's channel. I'll link it down below because she's amazing. See you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye.